These are the sounds of preschool.
Oh, friends, please make sure our pants up before we come out of the bathroom and flush the toilet.
Eyes forward, the line is moving. Do you need a tissue?
Get a squirt of soap.
Stay safe, friends. We stay together on the silver line.
Okay, spell your name. No, the letters in your name never change. They're always the same.
That's not a good choice, friends. Oh, we're all friends in preschool.
We don't eat that.
Why is that wet?
Just kidding. That's not how a 5-star preschool sounds. These are the greatest hits of our preschool.
Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song.
I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes.
Pete is sitting at his desk.
A out, who let the B out? Who lets the C out? Who let the D out? Who let the E out? Who let the F out? Who let the G out?
Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you.
Thumbs up,
Thumbs up,
elbows back,
elbows back,
feet apart,
knees together,
knees together,
bottoms up,
tongue out, eyes shut, turn around.
A doody-ta, a doody-ta, a doody-ta-ta. A doody-ta, a doody-ta, a doody-ta-ta. Yeah. Repeat after me. Oh, a milkshake. A sticky, sticky waffle. A mozzarella pizza. All the eggs are broken. That was really nothing. We can do it really. Say goodbye in a fun, silly way. It's how we end our happy day. Now stomp, 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 and clap, clap, clap. Repeat after me in this goodbye rap.
Bye bye butterfly.
Bye bye butterfly.
Blow a kiss goldfish.
Blow a kiss goldfish.
Give a hug ladybug.
Give a hug ladybug.
And hit the road happy toad.
Hit the road happy toad.
You may get a CD of this performance in the lobby.